I am Mihkel Kohava. I am a freelance theatre director. I have graduated recently from Estonia Music and Theatre Academy.
Hello, I am Dila. I'm a textile designer and a researcher. I'm a PhD student at the Estonian Academy of Arts, and I'm working in the fields of electronic textiles, movement-based interaction, interactive experiences, and their influence on body perception.
During residency, we worked on a project called Odysseia for One, which was a kind of audio journey game, something that combined elements of audio play and of a game.
In this project, we wanted to incorporate the fields of electronic textiles, interactive theatre, experience design with the principles of gamification. And in this project, the participants have some certain tasks, and these tasks are given them through the audio story. And to perform the tasks, they need to use their bodies. We give them some costumes, and in these costumes there are some kind of sensors. And the tasks are mainly based on the kinesthetic and the biological data of the participants. So basically the costumes has biosensors and the motion sensors. In response to the data collected from these sensors, we provide the audio and visual feedback to the participants, which guide them during the story to play the game and to complete the game. Initially, we planned this project as a multiplayer experience, but for the demonstration purposes of this residency project, we only made it for the one-person experience. So our future plan definitely involves to kind of produce this project as a multiplayer experience. And on the individual level, actually, this project very much connected with my own research and with my own electronic textile practice. And I was already focused on kinesthetic engagements for like movement-based bodily interactions. And throughout this project, we also incorporate these biosensors into the projects, and which gave me like a lot of insight how I can use these biosensors into my own research. So this will be definitely something that I will also like take into my own research process and explore.